feel so empty. I feel kinda sick. Somebody come get me. I feel kinda sick. I feel so empty. I feel kinda sick. Somebody come get me. I feel kinda sick. I feel kinda sick. Somebody come get me. I feel kinda sick.
Tonight, Gotham's relying on one man to save us all.
They think I'm hiding in the shadows, but I am the shadows. I'm vengeance.
Is it true? Is this really the end for you saying, Goku, are you finished? Here it comes.
All of y'all niggas, y'all flop. So when I come through, nigga, I'll make you drop. 100 rounds, jump in the Glock. Get solid, got watch the man right on your block. They call me foreign cause I am a bitch. of y'all niggas act gangster until we just up it and blast. None of y'all niggas like that. And once it's up there, it's stuck there like that.
Why is these boys in the haters? Should've getting up in the past. I had to run up a bite, then go to the mall.
I will not let you destroy my
I got the blick in my side. She love the beat when I drop.
Oh, that's her eye. Why would this stick and get peeled like the cop?
All of y'all niggas got flies. So when I come through, nigga, I make you drop.
100 round drum in the Glock. Keep selling got my shit right on your block.
I got the blick in my side. She love the beat when I drop.
Oh, that's her eye. Why would this stick and get peeled like a crop?
All of y'all niggas got flies. So when I come through, nigga, I make you drop.
100 round drum in the Glock. Keep selling got my shit right on your block.
I got the blick in my side. She love the beat when I drop.
Oh, that's her eye. Why would this stick and get peeled like a crop?
All of y'all niggas got flies. So when I come through, nigga, I make you drop.
100 round drum in the Glock. Keep selling got my shit right on your block.
They call me foreign cause I am a beast. Fucking that bitch and I am up a bean. I came from the bottom, now I'm in the league. I'm like that apple that fell off a tree. All of y'all niggas act gangster until
I feel so unfair. I feel out of sight. Somebody come get me. I feel out of sight. I feel so unfair. I feel out of sight. Somebody come get me. I feel out of sight.
It's simple, really. I'm just better than you.
Yeah, this bitch, I just do it. I hop on the mic, go stupid. I fuck on that bitch in the back, call me Cupid. I know that you clueless, you making that money, but you finna lose it. I make it, I throw it, that bitch in the ass.
So what's good, guys? Unfortunately, I made a rookie mistake and I forgot to turn on and actually connect my mic. So the Iron Bullies section part that you'll see, there's no mic. Same thing with the movements, there's no audio explaining it, so it's pretty much just going to be all the exercises themselves because I made the rookie mistake. I didn't check it, but I do it all the time. So yeah, we finish out back and hams. I'll show you guys a haul when I get to the crib. Damn, bro, I can't believe I forgot it. But yeah. Yo, so what's up, guys? We made it back town. This is what we got at the Iron Bullies shop. This is what we got. It's their marathon, not a sprint. You know what I mean? Because we're in for the long run. Right here, we got the Essentials training sweats. Those are fire. It's more of like a little jogger scrunchie. And then we got Fresno City of Bullies and saying Sasa Buda. Oh, just kidding, bro. But yeah, so since my microphone wasn't on the whole time, I'll basically just do a full day of eating. I'm going to cook what I'm supposed to eat on a daily basis. And this may not necessarily work for you, but it could be something that you could possibly use to eat. This is what I'm using technically on my cut, but it's more maintenance right now. Anyway, so that's gonna be today's videos. Unfortunately, it wasn't as good as I planned for it to be. The food, that's pretty much what I eat. The servings I'll put into the next video. So yeah, hope you guys have a good one. Stay tuned for the next one.